Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the sound on Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, open the site settings. The first step is to find the security menu for the website you are currently using. Look at the very top of your browser window, right next to the address bar and the refresh button. Click at the top left of the screen beside the refresh button on the settings symbol and select Site Settings. This menu controls what a website is allowed to do on your computer. Next, find Chrome Remote Desktop in the list. You need to make sure you are looking at the rules for the right program. Once the new page opens, use the search bar at the top of the settings page. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop to find the specific controls. There are many settings in a browser, and searching helps you find the right one quickly. It keeps your fix simple and direct. Lastly, locate the sound option. Now you need to find the specific switch that handles the volume and noise for this website. Look through the long list of permissions like camera, microphone, and location. Scroll down to the sound option in the list. This is the most important part. By default, many browsers set this to automatic, which can sometimes mean off. Finding this line is the key to fixing your audio problem. So from the drop-down, select Allow. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.